Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm in a Skoda Octavia Estate. This is the brand new model 2024, which comes with this new large screen in the middle. And what we are going to do on this car is reversing camera, original Skoda reversing camera, and a detachable Towbar. For camera, at the moment, the car came originally with the front and rear sensors. So if I select the reverse gear, this is a manual, by the way, so I have to press the clutch and all that. But there you go. We get the big screen with the sensors for rear and the front, all the radars and everything, and coming up. But there's no camera at the moment. So we'll be focusing on adding that and programming it all in. And also we'll be adding the Towbar. I'll show you as well here at the back. Right, so at the back, we've got the standard grip at the moment here sitting. That's where the camera will go. I actually open this for you. Here, there you can see this will be replaced for a grip with the camera integrated. And then here is going to be the Towbar. At the moment, obviously, it's not present, so we're going to fit that all. So let's get to it and we'll show him it's all completed. Right, the job is completed, so let's have a look now at the grip that is installed here. As you can see, it's got the lens now. The grip has changed, it's smaller to accommodate the camera lens, but it's sitting there quite nicely. I'll show you from this angle here. Yep, and then now let's have a look how it performs. Right, so we've got the car running, so we're going to select the reverse gear now. And as you can see, it brings up the rear screen. So you've got the sensors that were taking the main screen now have moved to the right hand side, and you've got the sensors coming up front and rear. This is the factory installed option, and the newly installed camera is here. You can see the bumper at the bottom here and the moving guidelines. They are moving, so they move with the steering wheel. So if we turn left and right, you can see they're moving in the direction of where we're turning, so guiding us while we're reversing. The picture is really good, really crisp. It's a much bigger screen on this new Skoda, so yeah, it gives you a massive view. You can see clearly everything at the back. So that's all done to the factory specification. Let's also have a look now at detachable Towbar that comes with fully integrated electrics that we fully coded to the cars. We're back to the main screen, and now if we select, if I just actually press park, I believe it will bring it up as well. Yeah, there you go. So the main feature changes. Before you saw the car screen with the front and rear sensors, now the rear is disabled. And as you can see, the sound is off as well. So the rear sensors are disabled. It's showing you've got the attached trailer. This happens in the moment when you plug in electrics from your trailer into the electric socket that comes with the Towbar, and that changes completely the whole, this parking sensor screen and menu. So it automatically basically disables the rear sensors, and then the car knows there's a trailer attached to it. So it's fully integrated, fully coded to the car, and comes with 3 years warranty. For more information, get in touch with us. Links will be in the description. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.